in the 7.5 Go, you're going to be doing some constructions. Now, the first question they're asking is why do we use a geometric compass when you do constructions in geometry? What's the purpose of a compass? Well, it's not really just to draw circles. What are we doing when we're drawing circles? It's actually measuring. The compass is actually a measuring tool. When you draw that circle, what you're really doing is finding all of the points that are a fixed distance from a center point. That when you're drawing a circle, you're finding all the possible points that could be the same distance from a certain point. Okay, and then usually you do multiple circles to try to find where these distances intersect. Now, the constructions they're asking on problems 11 through 17, we've done all of these in one of the tasks. So the easiest way, if you're struggling with any of them, would just be go back and look through the tasks. That we've done the rhombus, we've constructed a line parallel, we've done the bisecting and stuff. I'm going to do number 14 with you, though. That 14 was one of those ones it's a little tricky. It's the regular hexagon. And it's just, as soon as you understand the procedures again, what you're actually trying to do, it's actually not too bad. It's actually a pretty quick construction. You just got to remember how to do it. So with the regular hexagon, what we really want to do is we're going to make equilateral triangles actually inside of inside the circle. And those equilateral triangles connect together to make this hexagon. It's really 6 equilateral triangles arranged inside the circle. And because they're equilateral, that means the distance doesn't change on the compass. So you're really going to set the compass once, and then you're going to draw a few circles kind of going around the circle. So the way to start this is you draw a radius. Pick anywhere on the circle and just draw a radius in. So that is from center to the circle. Mark where it intersects. That's going to become one of the 6 vertices of the hexagon. That hexagon has 6 sides. It also has 6 vertices. This is going to be one of those 6 corners. Okay, now in doing this, we know what to set the compass for. So go ahead and put the point of the compass at the center of the circle. Put your pencil at the point and set that compass to that width. Now pick your compass up and put the point now where the radius intersected the circle. Okay, and you're going to draw a circle now centered at this point. That's that same diameter as the other circle. So I'm going to go to this point where my radius intersected the circle, and I'm going to draw a circle over here. Once you've done that, mark the next 2 points where the circles intersect. Where these intersect become the next 2 vertices of the hexagon. Now really what I've done, if you actually look carefully, those 3 points up top, that's an equilateral triangle. And there's those 3 points that connect on the bottom, that's another equilateral triangle. It's really the 6 equilateral triangles arranged in the circle that become the hexagon. What I need to do though is I need to keep going around the circle finding those other vertices. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to repeat my process. I have my radius set on the compass. I have found the center. Well, now I'm going to pick my compass up and I'm going to go to that new center. I'm going to go to that next point where those 2 circles intersected, and I'm going to draw another circle. So where I have here, I'm going to go and draw a circle centered on that new point. I'll mark where that circle now touched. Repeat the process, draw another circle, find where that circle touched the original circle, and just keep going around until you have all 6 vertices. Once you have all 6 vertices, you can connect those 6 vertices inside the circle, and that's going to be the hexagon. And that hexagon will be inscribed or inside of the circle. Okay, so I'll let you find that one last corner and then draw the hexagon. Again, the rest of these are all in the task, so just if you struggle with it, just flip through your tasks. If you've been in class, they're all in there for you. Good luck.